At the state level, the director of the Michigan Department of Health and Human Services says at this point, the department does not anticipate implementing any mask mandate statewide. However, they will continue to monitor the caseload over the next couple of weeks to see if they'll need to change their minds.
We continue to echo the recommendations of the CDC for masking, in particular indoors for persons who are both vaccinated and unvaccinated.
The reason for that recommendation? Michigan Health and Human Services Director Elizabeth Hertel says a rise in COVID case rates due to the prevalence of the Delta variant. A recommendation to mask up, not a requirement, as seen in Oakland and Wayne counties for their school districts.
Masks are our simplest, non-invasive way to make sure that we are lessening the spread of COVID among individuals. And I am fully supportive of continued masking and those mandates in schools.
Troy School Superintendent Dr. Rich Macheski speaking with 7 Action News after some high school students contracted the virus outside of the building. His district imposed a mask mandate prior to the county health department's order.
As we saw those rates continue to tick up, it became very clear to my team, our Board of Education, and members in our community that we were headed to the possibility of having another spike in cases, and we just absolutely couldn't have that. And so we decided later in August or mid-August to go ahead and make masks mandatory for students K-12.
So are county-wide masking mandates on the horizon? I reached out to each county health department in our viewing area to find out. Macomb has not issued one and is allowing school districts to maintain local control. Livingston County hasn't either. As of last week, the health department said residents can still mask indoors if they choose. As mentioned, Oakland and Wayne counties issued one for schools, but both spokespersons say there's been no talk of expanding to a countywide order. I'm told Washtenaw is working on a mask mandate for schools only, and it should be implemented after Labor Day.
And so I continue to encourage everybody to take these mitigation measures seriously and help lessen the spread of COVID to make sure that our healthcare providers can provide the kind of care they want to their communities.
In addition to voluntary masking, Hertel stressed what she feels is the importance of getting the vaccine to limit one's chance of being admitted to the hospital and/or developing a severe case of COVID. Darren Cunningham, 7 Action News.